In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a new page in Google Docs. If this video helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Google Docs tips. Let's say I currently have 2 pages in my document and I want to add a new blank page. The easiest way to do this is to place your cursor at the end of the content on the last page. Then go to the top menu and click Insert Break, Page Break. This will instantly move your cursor to a brand new blank page below your existing content. Alternatively, you can also press the keyboard shortcut Control Enter on Windows or Command Enter on Mac. This does the same thing, creating a new blank page right after your current one. If you ever end up with an unwanted blank page, simply click at the top of that page and press Backspace or Delete until it's removed. And that's it. You've successfully added a new page in Google Docs. Perfect for starting a new chapter, section, or adding extra space for images or tables. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy Google Docs guides.